Hey, this is Jim with the Jim Neal Realty Group of Sun Realty down here in sunny Estero, Florida. Behind me is the latest townhouses being built in the Estero area. They're awesome places. I'm going to do a walkthrough. They're probably 75% done, so there's no drywall or anything up, but we're going to do a walkthrough the models that are there, and I'll explain as I go through just exactly what they are. So let's go ahead and check them out. All right, so here we'll check out the elevation of them, just the front. Going to have a two-car garage on the end units, single car on the interior units. But what we'll do is we'll do a walkthrough and we'll check out the floor plans. And I'll tell you all about it. All right, what we'll have, we have three models. There's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. There are two of them, anywhere from 1,531 square feet and 1,717 square feet. And then we're going to have a 4-bed, 3-bath, 2-car garage. That's 1,984 square feet. So we're going to go in this one first. This is the 1,500. So we're walking in the front room, walking in the front door. You walk in and instantly you have the kitchen. Like there's going to be a bar right there. Your sink will be behind it. Then you have the living area. You have a formal dining there, or a breakfast nook. Then you have the living area right here. This will be another angle of it. That'll be the kitchen. And we'll go upstairs. All your bedrooms will be upstairs. This is a townhouse. Here we go, going upstairs. To the right, there's a bedroom. There's a bedroom. It's good sized bedrooms. This unit's 1,500 square feet. This is actually the master. You're going to go in, walk into the master right here. You're going to have a single closet on the right-hand side and a walk-in closet on the left here. Dual sinks, shower, be right there. You walk back out. You got a bedroom off to the side here. Utility up. There's your utility right there dead ahead. Then you have a bedroom here. So that's the 1,531 square foot unit. Let's go check out the 17 and the 19. All right, so here's the 1,700 square foot unit. We're walking in the front door of it. And basically this thing is just completely open. So you're going to have your dining room right there. Back there's the sliders with your living area. And in this kitchen is just going to be this whole back section right here. That is going to be your kitchen. Could be an island in the middle of it. Most likely there will be. But this one is actually 1,717 square feet. So we'll take a shot upstairs. And all the bedrooms are upstairs in this one also. All right, so we're walking through upstairs here. Full bath right here. Bedroom. Got the master here. Very similar to the 1,500 square foot that we just walked out of. Actually, this is a second bedroom. Master's over here. Master bath, walk-in closet off the bath. And here's the master bedroom right here. Okay, now we're walking into the end unit, which is going to be light and bright with windows. And this is 1,984 square feet, 4-bedroom, 3-bath. It actually has 1 bedroom, 1 full bath downstairs. So we're walking in the front door here. There's your living area. Over here's your kitchen. Be a bar sitting right there, so you can sit and enjoy a cocktail. Here's your living area. And then you go back here. It's not the master bath, but it is a full bath. So there's a full bath right there, which is downstairs. Be your tub. And then there's a bedroom down. But it's not the master. So back over here is the living area. Let's go upstairs. We'll check this one out. Okay, here's upstairs. It's a 4-bedroom unit, so there's 3 bedrooms upstairs. It's actually the master right here. Master closet. Nice big walk-in closet. Huge. You have your master bath. It's going to be a shower. Dual sinks. Come out of the hallway. Second bath. Then you have your second bedroom, third bedroom, fourth bedroom downstairs, utility up. All right. These are the latest townhouses in the Estero area. It's in the development by the name of Copper Oaks, and it's close to all shopping, dining, the airport, Southwest Florida International Airport. Has some very nice amenities. Like I said, we showed you 3 units there. One was 1,531 square feet, listed at $210. Another one was 1,717 square feet, listed at $215. And another one was 4 bedroom, 3 bath, 2-car garage, listed at $225. So they are priced very right. So if you'd like more information, give Jim Neal a call or shoot him a text, 239-233-4060. Look forward to hearing from you. Have a wonderful day.